Being right, we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you. I get
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all already know, it's Smileyy with 2 Y's. If it ain't 2 Y's, then it ain't me. Big purr. If you're new, hi for the first time. If you like the video, any point in the video, then give this video a big thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed and you would like to subscribe because you like my vibe, you like the videos, you like what you see, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And if you are not new, what's up? How you doing? How you been? Today in this video, don't worry about how the hair look now because it's wash day. Wash day, aka muscle day, because you get a couple of muscles when you wash your hair. Just FYI, if you see a girl with natural hair and she you know, she do her hair by herself a lot, watch out. She's strong on the low. No matter her size, she's strong. She's strong, so just back up. But today is wash day and I'm going to be using new products. So I've used Shea moisture before on my head, but I have not used their black castor oil set. Today I have their Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo with the conditioner to go with it. So I just took my hair out of my faux locks. I had that hairstyle in for a couple of months, and after I take out a protective style, especially a style that I had in for a while, I like to make sure that I do some type of mask on my hair to try to, you know, help my hair a little bit because it might have been dry. But this time when I took out my hair wasn't dry because I was moisturizing my scalp and I moisturized my hair before I put it in there. If you are going to put in a protective style, sis, do not just blow dry your hair and braid it and leave it in there for months. For me, every time I do a protective style, after I blow dry my hair, when I'm parting my hair, like whenever I grab whatever section I'm about to braid, whatever the case may be, I always take me a little bit of leave-in conditioner and I rub it on my hair. I rub that and some oil on my hair. That way I know that I'm starting off that style correctly, because you do not want to put dry hair in a protective style. Like, you're not doing nothing but protecting your dry hair. So moisturize it. Like, you want to come out with some good hair. You get what I'm saying? I do have the strengthen and restore treatment mask that I will be using on my hair, and then I'm going to most likely put in 2 cornrows after I'm done. Once I do, like for wash day, I really don't do too much after my hair is completely washed and all of that, because I'm tired. Like, I am tired. I don't care. We do not care. So I do have some leave-in conditioner that I will be putting in my hair once I rinse out the mask and all that kind of stuff like that to top it off. So those are all of the products that I will be using today. All right, so I don't know if I'm tripping, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all either. This is my review, so I'm gonna let you know how I feel. To me, it smells like Play-Doh. That's what it smells like to me. To each his nose, faces. I'm not gonna hold y'all up too long. If you would like to follow me along on my wash day, then stay tuned and let's get into this video.
oh, baby.
see, my hair is freshly washed, and now we're going to go ahead and condition it. Taking the conditioner right here. Now, me personally, I do not like to wash my hair in the shower. The real reason why I don't like washing my hair in the shower is 2 reasons. Number one, because one time I almost slipped on some conditioner and it really scared me. And then, like, I don't know if y'all ever seen The Grudge, but yeah, that was cheap. It was a part in the movie where, like, the girl was in the shower and she was washing her hair. I don't even know if she was washing it. Well, yeah, she was washing her hair. And, like, she was rubbing her hands through her hair, and, like, this hand was on her scalp. So, like, I was like, oh, nah. So, like, for real, ever since I seen that, I always think that, like, if I wash my hair in the shower, like, what do I do if something like that happens? Like, I know it's not real, but, like, yeah, I be trying to tell myself to get over it and let it go, but I can't. So, even though it looks moisturized, it does not feel like that. But let's go ahead and rinse this out. Okay, y'all, so we are back. First thing first, now we're going to go ahead and do this treatment mask right here. I don't know why I just decided to read the directions like I was going to follow them, but girl. So it says to leave it in your hair for 30 minutes if you don't, like, if you're not putting like a hooded dryer on your head. Girl, we do not care. So if you like me, you're going to leave it in. You're going to probably go cook, do all this kind of stuff like that, and it's going to be about 2 hours. So, and what? If you're somebody who left it in for longer and like your hair fell out, and like you actually got a story behind like why I shouldn't leave it in that long, then comment that down below. But other than that, if not, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. We gonna keep doing it. Period. I'm going to section my hair. So I can say that no, it wasn't because my hair was like, it wasn't because my hair was really dirty or anything like that. Even when I rinsed out the conditioner, and y'all, just so you know, I'm taking a generous amount. Like, girl, we do not play when it comes to moisturizing your hair. Like, you do what's good for you, and I'm gonna do what's good for me. Take it or leave it. No in between, unless you're taking some and leaving the rest, and I guess it's a little in between. Anyways, as I was saying, when I was rinsing out my hair from the conditioner, like, the water was brown too. Now I'm starting to think maybe it's from the black castor oil that's in it that's making the water be a little brown, I guess. But I don't like that, and I don't know if it's picking up on a camera or not, but I would say, if you are using this product, do not wear a shirt that you care about, and do not wear white. So this is what the first section looks like. And now I'm going to take my Denman brush, and I'm going to brush all of that in to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Like I said before in my last detangle and chit chat video, when you are detangling your hair, start from the bottom, then work your way up. So this is what my curls, I can't say the curls is popping. This treatment mask does feel good on my hair. Like, feels like I'm putting butter on my hair, to be honest. So far, like I said, I just don't like the fact that I don't like the way my hair feels after I shampoo it. I just feel like it literally stripped my hair of everything. Like, and even when I was putting in a conditioner, it still felt the same. I'm not gonna lie, I was just right here curling my hair. I mean, dang. I was just right here combing my hair, brushing, whatever you want to call it. And I was looking at it, and it was like one piece was like really, really straight, but then it started to curl up. like that. And I was just like, and I got emotional because, like, why don't people love, like, when some people don't like their, like, natural curly hair? Like, oh, like, I know it's a lot to deal with, but why not love it? Why not deal with it? You feel me? People prefer to deal with toxic relationships, but they prefer not to deal with their own hair. I don't understand it. Like, we love to see it. Period. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, my hair is all ready to do nothing. So now that my hair is done, I will catch you guys when I come back with my hair rinsed. So this is what it's looking like after I rinsed out the mask. And once again, I know I keep saying it after every time I use this product with each thing, the water keeps being brown whenever I rinse out some of this product. I don't like that. Somebody please comment down below if it is because of the black castor oil. Like, so now I am going to go in with the leave-in conditioner. I'm about to go ahead and just put in my 2 cornrows. So I'm going to take a decent amount of leave-in conditioner for this whole section. Ooh, now this feels like lotion. I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, and I am now done with my braids. So that concludes the video. I can say that my favorite products that I will probably use again is the hair mask and the leave-in conditioner. The shampoo and the conditioner, I don't think that's for me, but that's just my opinion. Thanks for tuning into my video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with the person sitting beside you so that you won't be lonely when you watch me, period. And if you're not subscribed by now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so you can get notified when I post. I do post once a week. Thanks for tuning in once again, and I will catch you guys in my next video.